Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult. Fix your kitchen sink. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Dealing with a clogged or leaking kitchen sink can be a frustrating experience for any homeowner. In this guide, we will discuss step-by-step instructions on how to fix common issues with your kitchen sink. By following these simple steps, you can save money on professional plumbing services and gain the satisfaction of resolving the problem yourself. Tools needed: plunger, pipe wrench, bucket, plumber's tape, Allen wrench, screwdriver. Clogged drain. Plunger method: try using a sink plunger to dislodge the clog. Ensure there's enough water in the sink to cover the plunger, then plunge vigorously up and down. Chemical drain cleaners. If plunging doesn't work, you can try using a chemical drain cleaner. Follow the instructions carefully and use gloves and eye protection. Plumbing snake. If the clog is stubborn, you may need to use a plumbing snake to physically remove it. Insert the snake into the drain and twist it until you feel resistance, then pull out the clog. Trap removal. If the clog is located in the P-trap under the sink, you may need to remove the trap and clean it out manually. Place a bucket underneath to catch any water, then unscrew the connections and remove the trap. Clean it out thoroughly and reattach it. Leaky faucet. Replace washers. Leaky faucets are often caused by worn-out washers. Turn off the water supply to the faucet, then disassemble the handle and replace the old washer with a new one. Reassemble the faucet and turn the water back on to check for leaks. Check O-rings. O-rings can also cause leaks. Inspect them for damage and replace if necessary. Tighten connections. Sometimes leaks can be fixed simply by tightening loose connections. Check all the connections under the sink and tighten them as needed. Slow draining sink. Clean drain. If the sink is draining slowly, there may be a buildup of debris in the pipes. Clean the drain using a plunger, drain cleaner, or plumbing snake as described above. Check ventilation. A poorly vented drain system can cause slow drainage. Ensure that the vent pipe connected to the drain is clear of obstructions. Professional help. If you're unable to resolve the issue on your own, it may be time to call a plumber. Garbage disposal issues. Reset. If the garbage disposal stops working, try resetting it. Locate the reset button on the bottom of the disposal unit and press it to reset. Clear jams. If the disposal is jammed, turn off the power and use a hex key or disposal wrench to manually rotate the blades and clear the obstruction. Avoid overloading. To prevent future issues, avoid putting large amounts of food or non-food items into the disposal at once. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix common problems with your kitchen sink without having to rely on a professional plumber. Remember to always take safety precautions when working with plumbing systems, and if the issue persists or if you are unsure, don't hesitate to contact a licensed plumber for assistance. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on a Fix Your Kitchen Sink. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality, but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.